Everyone, so today I'm going to give you my honest review about this Pictory AI software. I have personally used it from last 6 months and I've been using this software to make videos for my YouTube channels. So these are all no face channels where you can make videos using Pictory, and you can also give a text to speech for all the content. So before Pictory, I was actually using Vidnami for like last 1 year, but after GoDaddy acquired Vidnami and it got shut down, so this was the best option in the market. Comparing it with Vidnami, it's lot better. This Pictory guys have improved a lot, and today I'm going to give you a honest review about this product. And if you want to try it for free, I'm giving you the link in the description. Just click on the link and you'll be able to create at least 3 videos and you'll be able to understand the software. So whether it suits your needs or not, you'll be able to understand only after you try it yourself. So let's get started with the review. So as you can see, this is the website of Pictory AI. Here, as you can see, the mention, you can easily convert long form video and text content into short branded videos for social media or even YouTube channel. So whether you want to convert a blog into a video, or maybe you want to convert a big long form video into a short form video like TikTok or YouTube shorts, you can make that. And as you can see, the customer ratings on whether it's G2, Trustpilot, Capterra, Product Hunt, it's almost 4.5 star. It's more than that, as you can see. And this software is made for all the video marketers, whether you're a blogger or whether you want to create content for your webinar, where you want to attract attention. So because in this today's world, it's very difficult to grab people's attention. So this form of content, this form of video content help us get the customers attention. As you can see, you can just improve social engagement by 2x, increase productivity by 80%, and drive more traffic to your content. So as you can see, these are the sample videos which are already mentioned on Vidnami. Pictory. As you can see, you can easily create this type of videos. I've already given the tutorial regarding Pictory, how you can create this type of videos. You can just check the website. So this is the second video. So these videos are very nicely created. And talking about the product, they have like 4 options here where you can convert article to video directly by you just have to enter the blog URL here and it will automatically fetch the important data from there and create a short form of content. And this is the script to video where you just have to enter the entire script from here, and the AI will automatically convert it into a long form video. And so these are options like from video to visuals to video. So if you have existing short video or existing images, you can just create it. This third option is just like a normal video editor where you can just compile all the videos, short form videos and pictures if you have. And this one, the fourth one, where you can directly add subtitles to your video. You can cut portions of a video using the subtitles and highlights. So the major USP of this Pictory AI is this article to video and this script to video. So if you have already used Vidnami, I am sure, pretty much sure, you will definitely 101% like this software, because I have liked it. You can just give it a try. Comparing with any other software in the market, so this Pictory is far better, and you can just compare it with Vidnami. So this Pictory has similar features. So talking about the pricing here, as you can see, you get a free trial. So you can just click on the link given in the description. So if you go for the monthly build annually, so this is the $19 per month, and if you go for the premium plan, so this is $39 per month. And also if you go for monthly billing, so this is the $29 per month for standard, and for premium it's $59. So we'll just compare all the plans. So as you can see, when you go for free trial, you get 3 projects per month, and in all the plans, standard, premium and enterprise, it's unlimited plans. And here as you can see, maximum video length for text to video. So free trial you can use it for 10 minutes, that's the maximum length. So again, standard 10 minutes, premium 20 minutes, and in enterprise this is all custom. So you just have to contact Pictory guys. And this one again, maximum length of video per upload. So this is 60, 60, 180. Then maximum video size, file size per uploading. This is 1 GB, 1 GB, 5 GB. And here you can see maximum length of videos uploaded per month. So this is 2 hours, 10 hours, 50 hours. Okay, so rest everything is the same. The only thing is when you go for free trial, it's the Pictory watermark will be there. And again, almost the features and automatic subtitles, auto highlights, B-roll. So this is all there in all the plans. Once you come down, you can see here. So this is all the media. It's almost the same in all the plans. The only thing is here, upload your music tracks in the standard, it's not available, and trim video clips, it's not available in the standard version. As you can see, and they also have a great support team. So if you have anything, you can just write a mail and you can just contact them. So according to me, you can either go for the standard plan or the premium plan. So if you are a newbie, just go for a standard plan, have a look, and after that you can go for an upgrade. You can upgrade it for a premium plan, because personally I use a premium plan and it's very good, and definitely you should try this software, because by using this Pictory AI, you will be able to generate a lot of content for YouTube, for Instagram, for Facebook, for Instagram Reels. You'll be able to create video for a lot of social media, for Twitter. So just check out the link given in the description. So there is one more bonus tip for you. I'll share you 20 such YouTube channel ideas where you can create videos based on that. So this will be all low competition keywords, and you'll be easily able to penetrate the YouTube algorithm with that. But the only thing is, you just have to buy through my affiliate link, and you have to send me the invoice given on the mail given in the description. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.